In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prioritize tasks with lists in Slack. 5 minutes. First, log into Slack on the desktop app or in your browser so you're inside the workspace where you want to track tasks. Make sure you have the channel or direct message open where this list will be most useful. Keeping it close to the conversation makes it easy to follow up. Next, click the plus icon to open Slack's creation menu. This button gives you quick shortcuts for creating content that lives alongside your conversations. From that menu, choose List. Slack lists are a lightweight way to capture tasks, owners, and deadlines without leaving your workspace, so your priorities stay connected to the people and channels doing the work. Now select New List. You can pick a template if you want a head start. Templates are handy for common workflows like to-dos or project trackers, or start from a blank list for full control. Either way, you can customize it later, so choose whatever gets you moving fastest. Give your list a clear descriptive name and add an emoji if you like. A concise, action-oriented title makes it easy to find and recognize, especially when it's shared across multiple channels. Begin adding items to your list. Each row is a task. Type a task title, press enter to create another, and use the details panel to add context like a short description or links. Keeping items small and specific makes prioritizing and finishing them much easier. Customize the fields so your list captures what matters. Fields are the columns in your list, things like status or due date. Think about what you need to decide priority and to move work forward. To add more structure, click the plus icon at the end of the headers to insert new columns such as priority, assignee, or files. For priority, define clear options like high, medium, and low. For assignee, choose the teammate responsible so there's no ambiguity. Use files to attach relevant documents for quick reference. Organize your list to surface what's important. Sort by priority to see urgent items first, or by due date to focus on what's coming up. Filter to narrow the view to a single assignee or status. Drag items to reorder if you prefer a manual stack rank, and expand items to review details without losing your place. When your list is ready, click the share button to send it to specific people or a channel. Sharing keeps everyone aligned and lets collaborators update fields directly where the work is discussed. Choose who can view or edit to match your team's needs. That's it. Your prioritized Slack list is ready to guide your day and keep your team in sync.